Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and because of the weather that we've had, uh, the lettuce didn't do that well either, so I pulled it up. Bunnies out in the woods are going to enjoy it. That's good. So I'm going to just freshen up this here. I'm going to do some more planting, and I'm also going to be planting the cabbage today as well. And I'm going to bring you along with me. Okay, so I am going to give all the plants some food. I just do it this way. I don't go out of my way to do intense research and all that, but I do get the all-purpose plant food. I got this at Walmart. You can get that other name brand. I can't remember what it is. Miracle Grow. Um, so I'm going to give all the plants a good drink. I've got my watering can because I want to make sure I focus on just that. And then once I do that, got a deer fly. Once I do that, then I'm going to water the garden really well. And then I'm going to plant my seeds that I'm going to plant today. So now that everything's had some food, now I'm just going to do some regular watering. I'm going to water the potatoes as well, and then I should be able to plant what I'm going to plant. All right, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of the watering. I'll bring you back when I'm ready to plant the other seeds. Okay, so I'm going to plant the cabbage here. I am going to, because I know that the acorn squash is going to vine a lot, I'm going to plant 2 sets of them here. And I'm going to make a mound like I did with the squash there and put a few seeds in, and then we'll see what God gives us. It does say 87 days to harvest. Um, they are, I'm hoping, hardy enough to last if it goes into where we get some cool spells, but we'll see. Like I've said before, I take what is given to me. And if it grows, it's meant to be. If it doesn't grow, then it wasn't meant to be. I may not even be planting them correctly, but this is how I roll. I'm going to plant radishes right over here. So I've got radishes I've got planted right there because I don't think they like being planted near carrots, even though there are some carrots right there. I'm going to plant some kale right here. Try our hand at it again. And I'm going to try my best at lettuce again. Hopefully it doesn't die out. This one is salad bowl. Okay, I'm done tending to the garden today. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to water everything one more time because these raised beds were really dry because of that high humidity that we had. And yes, we did have some rain, but it wasn't enough to soak through. So I'm going to water everything really good again, including the seeds that I just planted because the dirt was really, really dry. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.